Every player have their strengths and weaknesses, right? And different styles. So it also takes a little bit of time to calibrate in your head, you know, what is this guy good at, what is not so good at? What do I want to accomplish out there? I'm very, very happy with the way I played in after the group stage, you know, and playing the quarter, semis, and especially the finals. I think I played the best match of the day. But this is what it takes for me to play pickleball every day in match-like situation. And here is my knee replaced. I still have some pain. It becomes mind over body when it's tournament day. I've done it for a couple of years this way. I know what my pain level, what I can tolerate, and after the day is over, then you can rest and rehab and hopefully feel a little bit better in a couple of days again. Most likely I'm heading to full knee replacement on this one. With a stem cell treatment next week, I'm hoping that the recovery will be so much quicker. It would be like a dream to come back and feel like you're at least 40 years old and not feeling like you're 65 or 70 out there when you're moving around. I'd like to play for another 5-10 years on a high level. But that's what it takes.